Unlock the power of your voice. Master expressive reading. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of the English language, expressive reading. Whether you're learning English as a second language or aiming to improve your reading skills, understanding and mastering expressive reading can transform the way you interact with texts. It's not just about reading words on a page. It's about bringing those words to life, conveying emotions, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. So, let's get started and explore how you can enhance your reading to be more engaging and expressive. Expressive reading goes beyond simple phonetic decoding of words on a page. It involves using your voice to reflect the emotions, tones, and nuances present in a text. This means varying your pitch, pace, volume, and tone to match the narrative or informational content you're sharing. When done effectively, expressive reading captivates your listeners, making stories more compelling and information more digestible. It's a skill particularly valuable for teachers, storytellers, public speakers, and anyone looking to make an impact through spoken language. To master expressive reading, it's crucial to understand its key elements. Pace, adjusting your reading speed to suit the mood or action. Slow down to build suspense or emphasize important points, and speed up during exciting or light-hearted passages. Volume, using a range of volumes to convey emotion. Speak softly for intimate or solemn moments, and increase volume for excitement or urgency. Pitch, altering the pitch of your voice to express different emotions or characters. Higher pitches can indicate excitement or surprise, while lower pitches might suggest seriousness or sadness. Tone, the overall quality of your voice that conveys your attitude towards the subject. It can be enthusiastic, solemn, sarcastic, and more. Pause. Strategic pauses can add emphasis, create suspense, or give the listener time to digest important points. Enhancing your expressive reading skills takes practice. Here are some tips to get you started. Read aloud regularly. Choose diverse texts and practice reading them aloud, focusing on varying your pace, pitch, and volume. Record and listen. Record your reading sessions and listen back. Pay attention to how well you're conveying the emotions and pacing. Use mirrors. Practice reading in front of a mirror. Pay attention to your facial expressions and body language, as they contribute to the overall effect. Get feedback. Share your recordings with friends or language tutors and ask for constructive feedback on your expressive reading skills. Imitate others. Listen to skilled orators, audiobook narrators, and actors. Try to imitate their techniques to learn how they use their voice to bring texts to life. Expressive reading is a powerful tool in your language learning arsenal. It not only enhances your ability to communicate more effectively but also deepens your connection with the content and your audience. Remember, mastering expressive reading is a journey. Be patient with yourself, practice consistently, and don't be afraid to experiment with your voice. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to explore the dynamic world of expressive reading. Happy reading, and see you in our next video.